Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Arjata. What's your name?
My name is Arvind Toshmi. My father's name is Ashok Dutta. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Shashi Datta. My mother's name is Purata. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Shita Das. What does your mother do?
My mother is an ideal housewife. I have one elder sister. Her name is Prachiyata. What's your sister's name?
Sorry, but I have no sister. I have a little brother. His name is Ushna Datta.
My school name is my kindergarten school. What's your school's name?
My school's name is Manikinder Garden School. My school is situated at Dignala Upadala. Where is the school situated?
My school is situated at Dinala Ubudala.
What's your favorite player?
My favorite player is Lionel Messi. What's your favorite player?
My favorite player is Rolando. Thank you.
Welcome.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.